Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Major currencies showed mixed movement against the greenback. The euro and sterling both strengthened marginally, while the yen weakened by 0.41 points. The Swiss franc has remained notably flat over the past 4 days. Year-to-date returns show significant movement, with the US dollar down 10.5% against the euro and 11% versus the Swissy. The currency has shown less dramatic declines of about 6% against both the yen and pound. The greenback exhibits particularly strong momentum against the rupee, marking its third consecutive daily gain. Meanwhile, the kiwi has broken higher after 4 days of consolidation. The offshore yuan remains in a tight trading range. Year-to-date performance varies significantly across Asian currencies. The dollar has gained 2.4% against the Indian rupee, while declining nearly 2% versus the offshore yuan, and showing a steeper 5.7% drop against the Singapore dollar.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Mexico leads the gains, climbing 1.6% to 60.19. Belgium shows remarkable strength with 3 consecutive up days and a breakout from recent consolidation. Thailand, Hong Kong, and South Korea all display very strong positive trends with 2-day winning streaks. Looking at returns, Thailand and South Korea are showing impressive week-to-date gains of 2.8% and 3.2% respectively. Belgium has posted strong month-to-date returns of 2.4%. Year-to-date, South Korea leads with a substantial 43.2% return. Among underperforming global markets, Israel experienced the steepest decline, dropping 3.2% with notable downward volatility. Philippines and Singapore showed modest weakness. The S&P 500 broke down from recent consolidation, while Poland continues to drift sideways. Examining returns, Israel shows weakness across timeframes, down 2.6% for the week and 3.4% month-to-date. Despite today's declines, Poland maintains a strong 52.3% year-to-date return, while Singapore has gained a respectable 22.6% this year.
Considering commodities, I'm liquidity. Gold futures and silver futures both showed strength, closing higher for the 4th consecutive day. Copper futures declined under strong downward pressure. Palladium exhibited downward volatility, falling 1.7%. On a year-to-date basis, both precious metals have gained nearly 30%. Copper and aluminum show modest losses for the year, while palladium has surged over 30%, despite recent volatility. Energy futures showed broad weakness. Brent crude and crude oil futures both declined 1.1%, marking their 5th and 6th consecutive down days, respectively. Natural gas bucked the trend, rising 2.6%. The energy sector's year-to-date performance has been challenging. Brent and WTI Crude are both down nearly 9%. Natural gas has fallen more substantially, down 17%, while gasoline remains slightly positive. In livestock, feeder cattle reached a new all-time high after breaking out of sideways movement. Lean hogs plunged 14.2%, while Class II milk surged 7.2% amid strong upward volatility. The livestock sector shows mixed year-to-date performance. Live cattle and feeder cattle have both gained over 29%, while Class II milk has declined 8.5%. In grains, wheat hit an all-time low amid strong downward volatility. Rough rice broke higher after 3 flat days, gaining 3.6%. Soybeans remained in a tight trading range. Year-to-date performance shows significant pressure on grains. Corn has declined 12.4%, while wheat is down nearly 10%. Oats remain marginally positive, up 1.6% despite recent volatility. Soft commodities showed mixed performance today. Cocoa led gains, rising 3.2% to 8,363. Sugar experienced strong downward volatility, falling nearly 1% to 16.9. Coffee futures showed sideways movement for 3 consecutive days, despite maintaining a strong negative trend. Looking at year-to-date performance, orange juice has declined significantly, down 52%. Cocoa shows a 28% retreat, while sugar has fallen 16%. Cotton has shown relative stability, down just 3% for the year.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Lou Quidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.